Hello my dear students, welcome to Byjus exam prep. Hope you guys are fine. So guys, be quick and join the session fast. Come on guys, be quick so that we can start the session as early as possible. Come on guys. I guess I'm audible, I'm visible. Okay, so in this session of ISRO, we'll be talking about the 95 questions. As I've already told you, we'll be covering entire portion of technical, allied subjects, everything. Okay, exam kab hoga? Most probably in the month of ending of August, we are expecting. Okay, so fatafat share the session with maximum of your friends, guys. Be quick. Okay, before that, if you don't know about me, you can go through my profile. Next, as you know that Super Saturday Daily Dose Sunday Ka Funda is going on in our channel. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, kindly do so. And next, there is a scholarship test tomorrow, that is 16th of July at 9 a.m. So this test is free of cost. Just give the test to analyze your performance. Okay. Next, coming further, there is a workshop on this coming Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. If you're planning for GATE 2024, what should be your strategy to get full marks in aptitude? So this session will be taken by Rakesh. So again, this session workshop is free of cost. Okay. So guys, everybody is ready. I'm not getting any answers in the comment section, guys. What is this? इतना आलस आ गया अभी से, so lazy. Come on guys, be quick. And for further upcoming sessions and all, you can join my Telegram group. If you can't find it, just type Civil by Richa Gupta, you'll find it. Again, good morning Anubhav. Okay guys, share. Come on guys, share करो सबके साथ, तभी तो पता चलेगा last time marks कितने आ रहे हैं. Okay, fine. Guys, we want that one question should not be given more than 30 to 45 minutes. That's the thing. But I'll tell you quickly the pattern of it. Okay, किस हिसाब से आज हमने रखा है session को. First of all, you know that there will be what negative marking also. 1 marks for each correct answer, 1/3 for negative marking. Now, if you read the notification properly, part A is 80 marks, which consists of technical. Part B is aptitude part, okay, which is 20 marks, but 15 questions are there. Remember, see the bifurcation. Part A, 80 questions, 80 marks. But if you talk about part B, 15 questions, 20 marks. That means each and every question will be more than 1 marks, approximately 4/3 marks per question. Okay, so here it will be aptitude, logical reasoning, deductive reasonings. I have already took questions regarding it. Okay, so that will be covered in part B. Now coming to that, you would have read the notification. What is happening there? 75% is technical, while 20 marks is for allied areas. So we have divided in that pattern only. 80 marks out of that 75%, that is 60 marks, is for civil engineering subject, our core subject, and 20 marks will be for the civil related allied areas. Okay, so this will be the whole thing. So we are proceeding in this manner. I'll be taking 30 questions, in which I'll tell you quickly. First, that's also initials I'm using. I'll be taking 30 questions, in which 20 questions will be technical and 20 questions will be technical and 10 questions will be allied. Okay, then Joshit sir will be coming. He'll be taking 35 questions, in which he will be taking what? He'll be taking technical questions, and he will be taking what? Aptitude. Okay, so he'll be taking technical plus aptitude. Then Abhinav sir will be coming, and he will be again taking 30 questions, which will be 20 technical and 10 allied. So we have comprised in such a manner that total number of questions are 95 questions. So you can see 30, 35, 30. So 95 questions are there. Out of that, 20 questions will be allied, okay, and 15 questions will be for aptitude. Got it? So this is the whole way, and 20 questions of technical. So 20 questions, each will take their technical subjects. Okay, 10 questions I'll be taking allied, 10 questions Abhinav sir will be taking allied, and 15 questions aptitude will be taken by Joshi sir. Okay, so this is the manner, and shall we start, guys? Good morning everybody, good morning. अभी जा रहे हो RBI JEE के, चलो all the best. Okay, fine. Ready everybody? Ready? So let's start the first question. Which of the following pipe is commonly used to resist corrosion from H2S? Come on guys, fast. That smell which comes, remember salt analysis when we used to do that group 2, when it like rotten egg smell, nali ki badbu aati hai, that's a sort of smell. So which of the pipe is used? Come on guys. No, wrong answer. Come on guys, I'm expecting everybody fast. Which of the following pipe is used to resist corrosion from H2S? It is glazed. Yeah, Anmol and Abhishek told it very right. That is glazed wire pipe. So you would have seen wherever industrial sewage and all, when we take it, okay, when we want to transport industrial sewage and all, we used glazed wire pipe. Okay, because it has the ability to resist corrosion from hydrogen sulfide. Got it? Okay. Next question. The solubility of oxygen in sewage as compared to its solubility in distilled water is about. How much is the oxygen soluble in sewage? If distilled water is there, in comparison to distilled water, what is the solubility of oxygen in sewage? Come on guys, faster, faster. I'm expecting the answer to be quick. Good morning, Sagar. Come on guys, start fast. How much? 9. Na. Very good. Anmol answered it first. As Anmol, Anubhav and everybody else, come on, buck up. 95%. So solubility of oxygen in sewage as compared to distilled water is 95%. Very good, Anmol. Come on. This question. The method which is generally used for the design of water distribution system. I guess you will answer this very quickly. Come on. जब तक मैं कुछ और लिख रही हूँ, so that we don't waste time. Anybody? गाड़ी लिख दिया, धूके से लिख दिया क्या? Okay, very good. That is Hardy-Cross method. So designing a water distribution system, we have two rules for Hardy-Cross method, and we go for Hardy-Cross method. Apart from Hardy-Cross method, there are different methods also. Let us suppose in this question, Hardy-Cross method would not have been given, but apart from that, other methods name would have been given. So that's why I'll tell you the other methods name also, okay? So equivalent pipe method is there. One. Then method of section and circle. Anybody remembers any other name can tell me? Anybody remembers any other name? Graphical method. Newton-Raphson method. So apart from Hardy-Cross method, if they come, then also you can mark any of this. Got it? Okay. Fine. Now, the sludge, this is a database question. The sludge volume index ranges between. Come on. I want the answer. Oh my god. My throat is not performing well. Correct. Dave now answered first. Good. Then Anmol. The sludge volume index. Volume occupied in ml by 1 gram of suspended solids when allowed to settle for 30 minutes. Correct? We express it in terms of ml per gram. Here it will be 50 to 150. But can you tell me the ideal range? Ideal range of it is actually 80 to 150 ml per gram. Since in the option it was not written, that's why we went to 50 to 150. But in your head it should be there that sludge volume index generally ranges between 80 to 150 ml per gram. Got it? Okay, very good. Who answered it? Anmol, very good. Now, mesosphere. This one, actually everybody knows about troposphere and stratosphere. But that's why I thought that I'll ask about mesosphere. So tell me, mesosphere is the layer of atmosphere above the surface of Earth. At what height it is there? Come on guys, till the time you... Troposphere, I'm writing in shorter. Stratosphere. Nobody answered. Fifth B. Read it again. Mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Who is answering it going to be correct? Nobody answered it. Ravindra answered it correctly now. Very good. Actually, it is 50,000 meter to 85,000 meter. See, in different books, there can be slight variations. Okay, but the answer is 50,000 meter to 85,000 meter. Got it? So, A is the correct answer. Nobody answered before that. Ravindra, then Sagar. Okay, so I'll tell you for others also, in case they can give you in match the following, we can predict what kind of questions they can ask. So let's talk about it. 0 to 20. Stratosphere, it can be 20, it can be 30 to 50 kilometers. Okay. Generally, we have the habit of remembering in kilometers. They have just did what? They've asked it in meters. That's it. Nothing they have done more. 50 kilometers to 85 kilometers. Thermosphere, anybody is having any idea? Generally it is 80 kilometers, but fine, here we are saying 85. Generally, let me tell you, it is 80. Okay, so thermosphere, it is 80 to 90 kilometer. Nobody knows it. Okay, 90 kilometers to 800 kilometers, and exosphere is 800 kilometers to 3000 kilometers. So guys, I have told you for every other, if it is asked, you should be able to solve it. Got it? Roundabout thoda bahut 19, 20, 19, 20 ho sakta hai, but basically this is the one. Okay, now strainer tube well is unsuitable for. See, this can be asked in groundwater hydrology mein count kar lo, or you can count it in sources of water of environment. Strainer tube well is unsuitable for. Come on, fast. Just one answer. Anybody gives the answer first, then I can start. But at least I should know. Huh? Oh my God, what is happening? स्ट्रेनर ट्यूबवेल किसके लिए अनसूटेबल है? सूटेबल नहीं पूछा गाइस, रीड द क्वेश्चन. अनसूटेबल पूछा है, सूटेबल नहीं है, अच्छा नहीं है. Nobody answered it correctly. It is not suitable for fine sandy strata. I am telling you the logic. Guys, if fine sandy strata is there, it will clog the voids of it, strainer tube wells, and it will not able to perform properly. Got that? It will basically clog the pores of the strainer if fine sandy strata is there. Okay, and you have installed a strainer tube well, it will clog the pores of the strainer and the efficiency of the tube well will decrease. Got it? Nobody? Fine sandy strata. Got it? Nobody answered this one. Fine. This one. This is very easy. Sample of A and B is given. Their pH is given. How many times A is more acidic as compared to that of B? Come on. pH of A, we know it has to be in, H has to be in moles per liter, 5.5. See, and I'm doing it just for you. Otherwise, simply you can say H of A is 10 raised to power minus 5.5. Hydrogen ion concentration of B is 10 raised to power minus 8.5. So this will come out to be 10 raised to power 3000. Very good, Aradhana. Oh, उससे पहले भी बोल दिया था क्या? Suresh Dev. Okay, good. Good. Got it. Come on. Next question. To clean out lateral sewers in the manholes, the clean out lateral sewers in the manholes are situated at. वो जो clean outs होते हैं, you study this in sewer apparatuses. Where are they situated? Where are they situated, guys? कोई आंसर कर रहा है? Where they are situated? अरे यार यहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा सा पूरा ही चला गया. My diagram is not on scale, but I'm drawing it still. Basically, guys, you have seen this is the clean out. You have seen this is the sewer pipe and this is the clean out. So it is situated on the upper end. With the help of it, which you clean the lateral sewer, so it is situated on the upper end. Got it? Correct. Aradhana, Ravindra. Many said it correctly. Correct. Okay, fine. This question. Which of the following is not an indicator of air pollution? Yeah, I want to know the answer for this. This is something which is new for you guys. Is not an indicator for air pollution. Come on. I don't want to waste a single minute. That's why I'm simultaneously writing what I have to tell you. But you answer it. Ozone. Okay, who all are saying ozone, guys? Let me tell you. Whenever you see air quality index, आपको ozone, suspended particulate matter, SOx, NOx के बारे में नहीं बात करते हो. Soiling index. Who told first? अच्छा ऊपर चला गया. Actually ना, those who don't put number, how could I know कि पिछले वाले का answer है और this one answer? Soiling Ravindra Dev Anmol. हाँ, soiling index होता है. Soiling index basically it tells you what is the visibility interference in the atmosphere. Just one question, guys. Soiling index has synonym name. Can you tell me the synonym of soiling index? इसको और क्या बोलते हैं? ये question has been asked in one of the state level examination. Soiling index को और क्या बोलते हैं? Anybody? See, polls I have to do for each and every question. 2-4 का कर लेते हैं, but यहाँ पे तो सबका करना पड़ जाएगा ना. Soiling index को we say smoke index or coefficient of haze. So remember the other name of it also. Got it? Now, 10th question, noise pollution. The noise level decreases with distance following. कौन सा law follow होता है? Come on, guys. Come on, guys, be fast. The noise level decreases with distance following which law? Inverse square law, power law, inversely proportional to intensity. What does it follow? Very good. Ishwari answered it. It follows inverse square law. See? Inverse square law. Got it? Intensity of sound, it is source power divided by 4 pi r square. So it follows inverse square law. Got it? Now, coming to the next one. The proportion of solids in sewage is about. Proportion of solids in sewage is about. Come on, guys. We know that it is more than 99.9% is water and 0.1% or less is solids. Eleventh का भी कैसे हो जाएगा? 1%. Oh my God! It is 99.9% is water and 0.1% is solid, guys, or even less. मैं तो attack ही दे दोगे मुझे. चलो. In chlorination, we are going fast, or is the speed okay? Sagar, Aishwarya, Aradhana, Anmol, and everybody else. How many names should I take? Dave, Suresh. Everybody's speed is okay now? Just tell me once the speed. Is it okay? Are we going too fast? Then let me know that also. All okay. Fine. Fine. In chlorination, due to rise in temperature of water, death rate of bacterial. So, as we increase the temperature, what will happen? Very good. 12th A. Ravindra Anmol, very good. See, as the temperature increases, the rate of killing increases. And you can add lesser dose of water. So, dose can be decreased. Again, this can be asked in statement wise. If you increase the temperature, rate means whenever you talk about rate, you talk with respect to time. That means in lesser time, more amount of bacteria will be killed and you have to supply lesser dosage. Vice versa to this, if the temperature would have been less, okay, then the rate of killing would have been less and you would have to supply more dosage of chlorine. Got it? Okay, this one. This is very easy. Empirical formula, this is which formula? Mayer's formula. So here what do you mean by Vg or V9? Very good. Very good, Ishwari. So it means mean monthly wind velocity at 9 meter above ground level. Okay, height or basically the wind velocity at 9 meter above ground level. Got it? This was simple. This was. A contour of constant rainfall is known as. Contour of constant rainfall is known as. ISO height. Line joining points of equal amount of rainfall. The flow of water into the ground through the soil surface. Ground के अंदर from the soil surface is called infiltration. Movement of water into the soil, that is the infiltration. अच्छा, अब इसमें incorrect, you have to tell the incorrect. This will take time slightly, so let me know the answer. Which of the following statements is incorrect regarding runoff? Runoff is that water which is apart from all the losses, that water which drains out from the catchment area, that is what is runoff. Okay, we have surface runoff, we have subsurface runoff. So these are the statements regarding runoff. Identify the incorrect one. Oh my god, too good, very good. See, अब सब C लिख रहे तो how could I know? Because I can see Anmol writing 16C and Suresh Nolu writing 16C. So I will guess they'll have answered it very fast. Okay. Vegetation accelerates runoff? No. If vegetation is present and water is flowing, it will deaccelerate runoff. So this statement is wrong, and which is wrong is correct for us for this question. Okay. Obviously, agar slope steep hoga, it will increase the runoff. Okay, if sand is there, it will be carrying out the absorption. So other statements are correct. Only this vegetation one is incorrect. Now this one. Rigid module of canal. I guess you guys should answered it correctly, but let's check it out. How many will answer it correctly? Rigid module. Come on, guys. Very good. Very good. Devishri, Anmol, very good. Shobit Pandey. Rigid module of a canal maintains constant discharge. There is one more name for rigid module. Can you tell me? The another name for rigid module. Can you tell me? Rigid modules are those modules in which discharge remains constant, yes, and are fixed within the limits. Can you tell the other name? See, fluctuations in water level can be there in the canal, but rigid module will keep it constant, will keep the discharge constant, and it will keep it with the limits. Very good, Suresh. Gibbs module. Which of the following is hoisting equipment? इसमें से कौन सा hoisting equipment है? Come on, guys. Which of the following is hoisting equipment? A. Clamshell नहीं है? Clamshell नहीं है? C नहीं है? Just asking. Clamshell is not a hoisting equipment. A हो गया, B हो गया. Dragline हो, clamshell, guy derrick. Tell me. Which of the following is hoisting equipment? Clamshell is not a hoisting equipment, guys. फटाफट. A बोल दिया, B बोल दिया, D बोल दिया. बताओ मुझे. अब तो मुझे इसका आंसर चाहिए. कम ऑन देवीश्री, सबको ही मुझे इसका आंसर बताओ पहले तो. फल्करसन रूल रिलेट्स टू. चलो पहले ये बता दो, फिर उसको वापस डिस्कस करेंगे. फल्करसन रूल रिलेट्स टू द. अभी किसका आंसर दे रहे हो? पिछले वाले का, किस वाले का? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड सूरज ईश्वरी. इट रिलेट्स टू नंबरिंग ऑफ इवेंट्स इन पर्ट एंड सीपीएम. दो तरीके से नंबरिंग करते हैं, रिमेंबर. EON, एनीबॉडी? Event on the node, activity on the node. Numbering of event. Correct, everybody. Good. This one. Water application efficiency is the ratio of water application efficiency. This is very simple, guys. Very good. How much quantity of water is stored in the root zone of the crop to the quantity of water delivered in the field? Okay. Now, this one. This starts from 21st question. Our allied topic starts. It will include everything of engineering, drawing, building constructions, and everything will be there. Okay, building material sort of questions, questions from engineering, geology, everything will be there. The extension for AutoCAD template file is. किसने बोला सबसे पहले? ईश्वरी, नहीं, अनमोल. अनमोल, Ishwari, and those who said D. Very good, Suresh and everybody. It is the extension for AutoCAD template file is DWG. Too good. It's not DWT, it's DWG. Okay. What is bought contract means? Bought contracts. मैं जोशी सर को 5-7 minutes लगेंगे तो बता भी देती हूँ. Okay, guys. So, what does bought contract means? (22) Build, operate, transfer. Can you tell me one thing? ये कहाँ पे ये contract use किया जाता है? Again, it can be asked in statement wise. Build, operate, transfer. Where do we use it? This contract is done by the government with the private firm. Generally, that's why this is bought contracts. This one. Seashore gravels are which of the following types? जो आप gravels देखते हैं seashore में, गए तो हो गया हर कोई कभी ना कभी. These are what? Shore of rivers and all. When you see seashore gravels, where do you find it? They are rounded. ओके. अच्छा, उसको चेक कर लेते हैं एक बारी. चलो मैं चेक कर लेती हूँ, हो सकता है गलती हो गई हो. ये बताओ जब तक. किसने बोला था? देवेश्री ने ना. सेव करने नहीं, किसने बोला था? देवीश्री, आप अगर सीधे गूगल से दे रहे हो, वो एक ऑटोकैड टेम्पलेट फाइल है, बट आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेविंग ऑफ फाइल. तो दैट इज DWG. मतलब आप लोग सब आंसर्स गूगल से चेक करके दे रहे हो क्या? बताओ. Okay. So if fly ash is the products which comes out from the thermal power plants and all, and basically if fly ash is an additive in brick mix proportion, if it is added, it results in, not every case, let me tell you all that, हमेशा नहीं होता, but in maximum case you see it reduces drying shrinkage. Okay, so D. मैंने एक वीडियो भी बनाया था, अगर आपने नहीं देखा होगा, संडे का फंडा में मैं एक फ्लाई एश ब्रिक प्लांट में गई थी. ओके, एंड आई मेड द वीडियो ऑफ इट. गॉट इट? चलो, सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू गाइस. A concrete design mix with a lower. हेलो, सिर्फ 5 मिनट मेरा फिर हो जाएगा. हाँ, ओके. A concrete mix design with a low water cement ratio and using larger aggregate results in water cement ratio come. What will be more? Strength will be more. Higher the water cement ratio, workability will be more, but strength will be less. So low water cement ratio, larger aggregates will result in gain in concrete compressive strength. Got it? Question number 26. Damp-proof course measurement, is it in cubic meter, square centimeter, running meter? Come on guys. Square meter. Who said it first? Suresh said it first, then Pooja, then Ravindra. It is square meter. You know that when you talk about concrete or when you talk about damp-proof course, it is square meter. अच्छा, लगे हाथ मुझे एक चीज और बता दो. Linear measurements, we do it for which one? Linear measurement, that is measurement in terms of length, we do it for which one? Come on guys. अरे बाप रे, ये कैसे हो गया? Handrail, cornice, for this we do linear measurement. Got it? हाँ, cornice we do it, very good. And single units की जब हम बात करते हैं, single unit work, so that is for which one? एक साथ पढ़ ही लेते हैं ना, because they can ask you anything. Single unit we use it for which one? Doors, windows, trusses. Got it? Okay. 27. For big projects, while calculating estimate, tools and plants जो है वो कितना amount has to be considered of that percentage of total estimate cost? Now DPC is measured single units. Very good, Sagar. Very, very good. 1 to 1.5%. Very good, Anmol and Ravindra. So it has 1 to 1.5% of total estimate cost. Too good. Absolutely correct. Question number 28. Turnover ratio is the ratio between, like अब तो मेरा साल का turnover इतना, I'm so rich, my yearly turnover is this much. So what is it? Is the ratio between? अब किसका आंसर दे रहे हो? ए लिख दिया दिनेश. किसका? पिछले वाले का, किस वाले का? Turn off ratio is the ratio between annual sales and investment. How much sales happened and what was the investment. Got it? Correct. Which of the following earth moving machine has the shortest cycle time? सबसे कम साइकिल टाइम. Come on guys. Give you the hint. Oldest and most important excavating machine for hard digging. Dipper shovel. Dipper shovel has the shortest cycle time. Oldest and used for excavating the things, hard strata and all. So it's dipper shovel. Dragline का shortest है. Dipper shovel का shortest है. Okay, this one. Last question for today by my side. Mock test खत्म नहीं हुआ. The multiplying factor for measurement of painting on the collapsible door is, which factor you multiply for measurement of painting on collapsible door? Come on, guys. Very good, Aniket. Very good. It is multiply 1.5 all over. Very good. Okay. So this is the answer. Guys, quickly मुझे बता दो out of 30 how much you are getting, because each question was carrying 1 marks. Each question अगर negative था तो कर लेना. So it will be like 3 तो R नहीं होगा. R minus 1/3 W. So this will be your marking. For right answer 1 marks and for wrong 1/3. So this will be your pattern. So let me know how much you scored. And guys, 50 mark series is going on, from which I'll be starting the next week. You have to come with me. Dedicate that whole week from Monday to Friday to me, because I'll be starting environment from Monday at 9 a.m. if you at 9 p.m. sorry. So do attend the session, and last scholarship test link is in the description. And guys, after this Joshit sir is coming from 31st question. Sir will be taking 20 technical questions and 15 aptitude questions. So now over to Joshit sir, and stay with us till the last so that you can analyze your performance in a proper manner.
Hi everybody, welcome to Byjus exam prep one more time. So I hope you guys were practicing, and I think 30 questions are done, right? ISRO 30 questions. So how many of you are here? Let me know in the comment box. I was not able to see the comments while ma'am was taking the session. Am I audible and visible perfectly, everybody? Can you please tell me in the comment box? Am I perfectly audible and visible to guys? Everybody, can you please tell me? Okay, sir. So now I'll be proceeding from here, and I'll start with question number 31, and I'll be taking you till question number 65, where I'll be covering technical subjects as well as your aptitude part, which is part B of your ISRO examination. Okay, sir? Chaliye. So let's start the session without any further ado. My name is Joshit Singh, and nothing is more important over here. Apart from this, in case you are interested, you can join me on app as well, where I'm taking the sessions specifically on ISRO. So on 17th of July, which is Monday, I'll be taking ISRO 2017 previous year questions, and then we'll be talking about is it possible to crack ISRO 2023 if you start preparing now. अगर आप अभी शुरू करते हो, will you be able to complete it or not? And then rest other sessions will be like this. Every day at 8 p.m. you can see me on app. Apart from this, on 22nd July, you are going to have a complete gate mock test with me, Abhinav sir and Richa ma'am. Rest, you can join my Telegram group, that is Civil by Ninja sir. Okay. So apart from this, as you all know, this is the pattern. So I'll be covering 20 questions from here and 15 questions from here. So let's start with the question number 31. Please, everybody in the comment box, let me know by this time how many marks you are getting, and then please answer to this question along with the question number. In a free vortex, velocity decreases with radius, increases with radius, is constant, varies inversely as the square of radius. Everybody has to answer quickly, please. Chaliye sir, quick answer. Is it decrease with radius, increase with radius, or what happened? So guys, in free vortex, as you all know that VR is nothing but it is constant, right? V into R is constant. That is nothing but it gives us the idea that the velocity is inversely proportional to what? The radius. So with the radius, velocity will definitely decrease. So that is why option A is correct. Next question, everyone. Please answer. A submerged weir is one in which the water level on the downstream side of the weir is just at the crest level, below the crest level, above the crest level, at some elevation as water surface on upstream. Come on. A submerged weir, everyone. A submerged weir. This is a question, even actually similar question is being asked in previous year also of ISRO. So above crest level should be the right answer. When the water level on the downstream side of the weir is above the top surface of the weir, it is known as submerged weir or drowned weir. Moving on. If stream function is, so it is given to you, the stream function is given to you as psi is given 2xy, then the velocity at point 1, 2 is equals to what? 2.10, 3.48, 4.47 or 16.25. Which one is correct? You need to find out the velocity, everybody. I'll give you a quick hint. Velocity is nothing but it is under root of x component of the velocity plus y component of the velocity. Simple. So u and v you can find out with the help of this psi. Psi is 2xy. So when I talk about stream function, I'm sorry. When I talk about stream function, as you all know, u is how much? U is nothing but it is del psi by del y. Correct. So del psi by del y will be how much? It is 2x, which is 2 into 1, so 2 only. And v is going to be minus del psi by del x. It is 2y, which is minus 4. Correct. So here you can put the value as 2 square plus 4 square under root. Right. So that would be under root kitna? 16 or 4? 20. Under root 20 means ये similar ये कुछ answer होगा. Okay, 4.47 should be the right answer, everybody. Keep liking the session, guys. Keep liking the session. Okay, very good. Devashri, Dinesh, Sagar, very well. Shubham has also given the right answer, and Rachit, Anmol, Aradhana, very good. Moving on. Next question is here. At what distance from the boundary layer the value of the wall shear is 3 times of turbulent shear? Good question. Please answer. At what distance from boundary layer, distance from pipe wall, the value of the wall shear is 3 times of turbulent shear, everybody. I'll make you the equation in case you don't remember. Tau is equals to tau naught 1 minus y by r. Now you all know, as they are saying in the question, that condition is tau naught should be 3 times shear in case of turbulent, right? So here say you can get the value as what? You can say that tau t is nothing but it is tau naught by 3, right? Put the value. So tau naught by 3 will be equals to tau naught 1 minus y by r. When you solve it, you get the answer from here. Tau naught cancel out, and eventually y will come out to be 2r by 3, which is option C. Very well. Aradhana, good. Okay, super. Next question. Calculate the specific energy of the flow if the velocity of the flow is 2.22 meter per second and depth of flow is 1 meter. This you do, everybody. आसान है, करके बताओ एक बार comment box में. Specific energy पूछ रहे हैं, and I hope you know the formula to get the value of specific energy. Hanji, did you get it? Yes, so specific energy, very good. It is equals to y plus v square by 2g. Put the values over here. Y1, v is 2.22 square divided by 2 into 9.81. When you solve it, you get the answer as 1.25 meter kg per kg. Okay, so that is 1.25. Option A was correct. Moving on to the next question. Characteristic length is given by what? Sir, 2024 में इलेक्ट्रिकल ISRO वैकेंसी आएगा फॉर डबल स्टूडेंट. 24 का तो पता नहीं, अभी आया हुआ है. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक लेंथ सर बताइए, डेफिनेशन ही पूछ ली है आपसे. What is the characteristic length, everyone? Weighted parameter by divided by area. Area divided by square of weighted parameter. Area divided by weighted parameter. It is the ratio of weighted area and the top width of the water surface. Come on, answer in the comment box. Sushil, hi. Question number 36. Yes, option D is correct. A by T. Weighted area by top width. Moving on. What will be the frequency of irrigation if allowable depletion depth between irrigation is 15 mm and daily water used by the crop is 3 mm per day? Then what is the frequency of the irrigation? FOI. Come on, 30 second का question है, even 15 second question है. So I hope you everybody will be able to get the answer quickly. Very good. So it is going to be the allowable depletion and divided by how much the requirement is daily water use. So that is nothing but 5. 5 days will be the frequency of irrigation. Next, calculate the permanent wilting point if the depth of water is the root zone. In the root zone at permanent wilting point per meter depth of soil is 0.4 meter. The dry density of soil is 16 kilonewton per meter cube. Permanent wilting point कितना होगा? Depth of water 0.4, D consider as 1 meter, gamma D 16 kilonewton per meter cube, gamma water 9.81 kilonewton per square. ठीक है सर, हो जाइए, शुरू हो जाइए फटाफट से. एवरीबॉडी क्विकली आंसर. You need to find out the permanent wilting point. So dW is equals to gamma D by gamma W into D into PWP, right? So it is given to me as 0.4, it is 16, it is 9.81 into D is 1, PWP we have to find out. So eventually from here PWP will come out to be 0.245. Very good. Next question. The state of soil when plant fail to extract sufficient water for their requirement is maximum saturation point, permanent wilting point, ultimate utilization point, या none of the above. Which is correct? Question number 39. Very good. That's permanent wilting point. Which of the following test is used for bitumen? Slump, abrasion, penetration, fineness. Slump, abrasion, penetration, fineness. Which particular test is used for bitumen in case of bitumen? Come on. This penetration test that we conduct, right? Jiska value you get in terms of 60, 80 or 70, 90, something like that. Next question. In speed and delay study, if average journey time on a stretch of a road length of 3.5 kilometer is 7.55 minute and the average stopped delay is 1.8 minute, the average running speed will be how much? Average running speed will be how much? Quickly. Average running speed. It will be the road length by average running time. Right? Answer. Now how to find out average running time? So average journey time minus average stopped time. So average running time was 7.55 minutes, right? Subtract 1.8 from it, you will get the average running time, that is 5.75 minutes. So 5.75 minutes. The road length is how much? 3.5 किलोमीटर पर आवर में आंसर चाहिए, that is why 60 से will multiply and average running time minutes में ना 5.75. When you solve this, you get the answer as 36.5, which is option A. Next question. The suitable binder used for carrying out bituminous patch work during rainy season is what? Cutback, bituminous emulsion, hot bitumen or road tar? Please answer, guys. Everyone. चलिए. That is bituminous emulsion. ये मैं पहले भी बताया था. Still, if you are making mistake, very bad. This we have discussed earlier also. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Construction joints are necessarily planned for their locations. Expansion joint are provided to accommodate thermal expansion. Contraction joints are provided to control shrinkage cracks. All options are correct. इनमें से which statement is right? Correct statement पूछा आपसे. Please answer, guys. That is actually D. सारे ही statement correct हैं. That is why option D is right. Next, if actual gradient is 1 in 133 and ruling gradient is 1 in 110, then what will be the degree of curve? Assuming track to be narrow gauge. Narrow gauge track है तो आपको डिग्री पता करनी है. अगर आपको ना पता हो तो ब्रॉड गेज के लिए जो आप कॉम्पनसेशन देते हैं दैट इज 0.04 पर डिग्री. ठीक है. And for meter gauge it is 0.03 and for narrow gauge it is 0.02 per degree. हो जाए शुरू. Actual gradient, ruling gradient. See, actual gradient is equals to ruling gradient minus 0.02% पर डिग्री. ठीक है. इस तरीके से यू हैव टू टेक दिस. सो एक्चुअल इज 133, रूलिंग इज 1110, 0.02% ऑफ डी. सो डी फाइंड आउट करना है आपको. डिड यू गेट दिस? बताइए. ओके, सॉल्व कर लेना यार. डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम इन कैलकुलेशन. 8 शुड बी द आंसर. 8 डिग्री आंसर आएगा. प्लीज मैच द आंसर वंस यू आर डन विद द कैलकुलेशन. ओके, अगले सवाल पे चलते हैं. वेब क्रिपलिंग जनरली अकर्स एट द पॉइंट वेयर बेंडिंग मोमेंट इज मैक्सिमम, shear force is minimum, concentrated load at deflection is maximum, bending moment is maximum. In which case, guys? Kindly write down the question number along with your answer. That will help me also to know आप किसका आंसर दे रहे हैं. Okay, okay. Yes, wherever the concentrated loads act, there you are getting the web crippling. Next, a propped cantilever beam of span L and constant plastic moment capacity MP carries a concentrated load at mid-span. The load at collapse will be how much? बताइए. A propped cantilever beam of, this is I think basic question, very basic and standard case ही एक तरह से. Right, so I hope everybody will be able to answer quickly. P into L by 2 into theta equals to MP. Right, when you solve it, it is 6 MP by L. So which is correct? Option C is right. Okay, next question. In the process of hydration of OPC, ordinary Portland cement, what is the water requirement expressed as the percentage by weight of cement to complete the chemical reaction? 15 to 25, 20 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45. Which one is correct? The water requirement basically they are asking. Okay. याद रखना ओपीसी की बात हो रही है सर. काइंडली रिमेंबर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओपीसी. any before giving any answer, don't forget to overlook this particular fact that what we are talking about. Okay, right answer is 20 to 25%. Okay, very good. 20 to 25%. So to hydrate any cement completely, the amount of water that we require is 20 to 20%, right, by weight of the cement. But remember one more thing, to account for workability and the loss of water, you have to probably take the weight of water to be around 40 to 45% to the weight of cement. ठीक है, तो loss of water workability को सबको देखते हुए, but yeah, to hydrate 20 to 25% is required. That's why what they are asking you in the question. Next, the minimum quantity of cement content needed in 1 meter cube of reinforced concrete which is exposed to sea weather conditions in kg. Sea weather condition they are asking in kg per meter cube, basically it should be. Sir, sea weather, sir, why I always have to highlight the keywords? That should be 350. We are talking about sea weather conditions, guys. 350 should be the right answer. Next, which of the following factor influence the durability of reinforced cement concrete? इनमें से कौन सा ऐसा फैक्टर है जो ड्यूरेबिलिटी को अफेक्ट करता है ऑफ reinforced cement concrete? The cover to embedded cement, the cover to embedded steel, the cement content and water cement ratio, the shape and the size of the member. All options are correct. Yes, all options are correct here. Next, whenever color washing on asbestos cement corrugated sheet is done, in the estimation the plane area of the sheet is increased by how much? बताइए. Plan area basically. Everyone quickly answer beta. After me Abhinav Negi sir will come with his subjects and also the allied topics. Very good. That's 20%. 20%, guys. 20%. Now we are done with technical questions from my side. Now I will start aptitude and then Abhinav sir will come with his technical and allied subjects. Okay. By this time, how many questions you have corrected? Can you please tell me in the comment box, guys? Quickly. Everybody in the comment box. How much out of 50? Out of 50, how much you are getting right now? And be ready all. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday 11 a.m. we are having ISRO series in this channel only. Please tell me in the comment box out of 50 कितना आ रहा है. अभी हम start करते हैं. ठीक है. Now we'll start our aptitude questions. Be ready everyone. Okay, let's start with the first question. कितना आ रहा है 50 में से? Okay, first question. Looking at the surface of a smooth three-dimensional object from the outside, which one of the following option is true? The surface of the object must be concave everywhere. The surface of the object must be convex everywhere. The surface of the object may be concave in some place and convex in other places. The object can have edges and but no corners. Please answer. Question number 51. I need answer from all of you in the comment box. We are talking about surface of a smooth three-dimensional object from the outside, everybody. Yes, the right answer is the surface of the object may be concave at some place and convex on the other side. Right? यही है खूबसूरती किसकी? हमारे 3D object की. ठीक है? Okay, moving on to the next question. Let's see what we have next. Okay, everybody has to answer this beautiful question. It is everyone. Look at this closely. A series of natural number f1, f2, f3, f4, f5, f6, f7 obeys fn plus 1 equals fn plus fn minus 1 for all integers n equals or greater than 2. If f6 is 37, f7 is 60, then what is f1? बताइए. fn plus 1 is equals to fn plus fn minus 1. This is the condition they have given in the question. Very good. f7, f6 दिया है, f1 they are asking. So basically we can say fn minus 1 is equals to fn plus 1 minus fn. That's what we can say. Right? So if n is 6, so can I say that f5 will be equals to fn plus 1, मतलब f7 minus f6, yes or no? which is how much? 60 minus 37. एक सेकेंड. 60 minus 37. How much you are getting from here? 23. अब मैंने सब बता दिया, फटाफट से करते जाओ, स्पीड में करते जाओ एकदम. 60 to 37. 37 minus 23. 14. 14 minus 23 minus 14 कितना? 9. 14 minus 9 कितना? 5. 5 minus 9 minus 5 कितना? 4. 4. 4. Yes or no? Everybody. Everybody. So the right answer is 4. ठीक है, समझे कि नहीं समझे? F4 ये रहा, F3 ये रहा, F2 ये रहा, ठीक है. And what they are asking? F1, F5, F4. ठीक है. F2 will be equals to F1 will be equals to 4, which is option A. Next. अच्छा, बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है, ध्यान से देखो. 5 boys, Ganesh, Hitesh, Ishan, Jackie and Kalesh नहीं, sorry, Kailash always compete with one another. Ishan gets more marks than Kailash. ईशान के ज्यादा नंबर आए कैलाश से. जैकी गेट्स लेस मार्क्स देन गणेश. जैकी गेट्स लेस मार्क्स देन गणेश. मतलब ये है, यहां से आई कैन से कि दे आर आस्किंग किसके लोएस्ट मार्क्स है, राइट. सो ईशान गेट मोर मार्क्स देन कैलाश. तो ईशान के तो नहीं हो सकते क्योंकि कैलाश से तो वो ऊपर ही है. रेस्ट जैकी गेट्स लेस मार्क्स देन गणेश. तो गणेश भी ऑप्शन से बाहर जाता है. मैं यहां से हटाता जाता हूं, इसको भी हटाओ, इसको भी हटाओ. हितेश गेट्स मोर मार्क्स देन जैकी एंड कैलाश. तो हितेश भी गया. ऑप्शन अपने आप क्लियर है, ऑप्शन डी इज राइट. ठीक है, बड़ा फटाफट से हो जाता है, लिखते रहोगे तो टाइम वेस्ट होता है. नेक्स्ट, अ रिस्ट वॉच which is running 12 minutes late on a Sunday noon is 16 minutes ahead of the correct time at 12 noon on the next Sunday. When is the clock 8 minutes ahead of time? बोलिए. The watch question. I will just remove myself from here so that I can write on this entire screen. See the actual, you can say the actually the watch gain will be कितना? 28 minutes in 60 minutes. Therefore we can say it gains 1 minute in 360 minutes. आ गया, यहां से आधा काम हो गया आपका, राइट. सो इट विल गेन 12 plus 8 in 20 into 360 by 60 into 24 because I want in days. So that should be 5 days. अब जोड़ लो यहां से, संडे से 5 दिन आगे जोड़ दो. फ्राइडे में भी नून. सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट ओवर हियर, राइट. दिस इज the one of the concept that you should know. Lot of questions will be asked from here. Next, which number does not belong in this series below? कौन सा नंबर है जो यहाँ पे imposter है? imposter समझते हो? imposter is like सलमान भाई की मूवी में अच्छा एक्टर. which number does not belong in this series below? Just kidding. My love for Salman bhai is eternal and also for his driver. 2, 5, 10, 17, 26, 37, 50, 64. Which one is correct? Everybody tell me. So basically they are what? This is 1 square plus 1, 2 square plus 1, right? 3 square plus 1, 4 square plus 1, 5 square plus 1, 6 square plus 1, 7 square plus 1, 8 square not plus 1, right? So 64 is wrong. 65 आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. Moving on to the next question. Find the odd one out. इसमें से भी odd one out निकाल दीजिए फटाफट everybody. Quick answer. बहुत जल्दी देख के बता सकते हो. This is that type of question. 41, 43, 47, 61, 73, 80. Everybody, there is one thing which is different. This is prime number. It is not. Next, if 6th March 2005 is Sunday, what was the day of the week on 6th March 2004? बताओ. Quick. Quick, everybody. 6th March. वाह, क्या बात है, शानदार. एक आंसर आ चुका है. अगेन आई हैव टू बी वैनिश्ड फ्रॉम हियर. देखो, 2004 is a leap year, right? So it will be having 2 odd days. But we are not talking about it because we are taking from where? We are calculating March 2004 to March 2005. ठीक है, तो वो हटा दो. Feb is not got the like वो leap year वाला February not coming into the picture. So only one odd day left with us, right? So the day on 6th March 2005 will be one day beyond the day on 6th March 2004. ठीक है, तो 6 मार्च को क्या है, 25 है ना, तो क्या अपना 6 मार्च को क्या था, 26 मार्च को था अपना संडे. तो ठीक है, एक दिन पीछे आ जाओ, सैटरडे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द नंबर दैट शुड कम इन प्लेस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सीरीज. अगला नंबर क्या होगा सीरीज का, ये आपको बताना है. प्लीज एवरीबॉडी आंसर आफ्टर मी. अभिनव सर विल बी जॉइनिंग अस विथ फुल पावर. The number that should come in place in this series. Okay, so there is a relationship like this. See, 8 into 1 minus 2, 6. Then 6 into 2 minus 3. How much you have left? 9. Then 9 into 3 minus 4. You will get 23. Then 23 into 4 minus 5 will give you 87. So 87 into 5 minus 6 will be how much? It will be 429, option A. Next question. There are 5 buildings called V, W, X, Y, Z in a row, not necessarily in that order. V is to the west of W, Z is to the east of X and west of V. W is to the west of Y. Which building is in the middle? बताइए. North, south, east, west. Tell me, everybody. East, west. क्या बोला है? V is to the west of W. ठीक है, W जहां भी होगा वेस्ट उसके बगल में होगा. सॉरी, V will be on the left of it. नेक्स्ट बोल रहा है Z is to the east of X and the west of V. तो V के वेस्ट में, राइट, V के वेस्ट में है Z और X के ईस्ट में. लेट्स से इट विल बी हियर लाइक दिस. चेक कर लेंगे अभी. W is to the west of Y. W is west of Y. So Y इधर आया. Which of the building is in the middle? So V is the right answer. Option A. Next. When a producer allows 36% commission on the retail price of his product, he earns a profit of 8.8%. What would be the profit percent if commission is reduced to 24%? अगर commission को 24% कम कर दिया, reduced by 24%, then what is going to be the profit? बोलिए. यहाँ पे assume करके चलो that the retail price is 100 rupees. Okay, and commission कितना हुआ? If retail price is 100, what is the commission, everybody? 36%, right? So 36 rupees. that is the commission. So selling price is how much? 100 minus 36, that is 64. And profit, ये मेरे पीछे आएगा ना, and the profit is how much coming? 8.8% is coming, right? So the cost price will be equals to how much? 100 by 108.8 into 64, and that is 1000 by 17. That is the cost price, correct? ओके अभी क्या बोल रहे हैं कि अगर हम कमीशन कम कर दें 24% से, राइट, तो बचा कितना? 12, करेक्ट, 12 बचा केवल. सो माय न्यू कॉस्ट प्राइस विल बी हाउ मच? न्यू सेलिंग प्राइस विल बी हाउ मच? न्यू सेलिंग प्राइस इज गोइंग टू बी 100 minus 12, which is 88. So the gain is going to be how much? It is 88 minus, earlier we were having this much, so 1000 by 17, that is 496 by 17. पूछा क्या है? What they are asking? They are asking the profit, right? So the gain percentage will be how much? I'll mention here only. Gain percent will be 496 by 17 of what? 17 by 1000 into 100. That is your gain percent, right? And that should be 49.6 something. So option A is correct. So that is going to be the gain percent if you reduce it by 24. यहाँ पे there is one mistake which most of the students make is they think that now the commission is 24%. No, you have to make sure whether it is reduced to 24% written or by 24% written. So here it was by 24%, that is why 12% we had to consider. Next, two pipes can fill a cistern in 14 hours and 16 hours respectively. The pipe are open simultaneously, and it is found that due to leakage in bottom, it took 32 minutes more to fill the cistern. When the cistern is full, in what time will the leak empty it? बताइए. यहाँ पे वही है, देखो, वर्क डन निकाल लो in 1 hour. By both the pipe ना, 1 by 14, 1 by 16. एप्टीट्यूड में मुझे लग रहा है कम बच्चे इंटरेस्टेड हैं, एंड इसरो में है ही नहीं लगता है, ऐसा है ना. एक बार देख लीजिएगा. इफ यू डोंट नो, लेट मी क्लैरिफाई दिस वन थिंग एवरीबडी. अगर आपको ना पता हो, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट, आई विल टेल यू अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. You have to secure 50% here and 50% here to qualify the examination. That is the sectional cutoff. If not aware of it, read the PDF again, you will notice it. You have to secure 50% out of here also, 20 marks में से भी. तो this is also important in aptitude. Don't think कि इसको अच्छा कर लूंगा और इसमें तो मुझे जरूरत नहीं है, ज्यादा 2-3 मार्क्स कर लेंगे बहुत है. No, इसको क्लियर ही नहीं करोगे, देन दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू कंसिडर योर टेस्ट. देयर इज अ सेक्शनल कट ऑफ, रिमेंबर दिस. ठीक है, कहां था मैं? हाँ जी. सो पर 1 hour वर्क डन इज दिस. द पाइप आर ओपन साइमल्टेनियसली, राइट? सो द टाइम टेकन बाय दीज पाइप टू फिल द टैंक विल बी हाउ मच? कितने टाइम में भर देंगे? टाइम टेकन, द टाइम टेकन वुड बी 112 by 15 hours. That is 7 hours 28 minutes. इतना टोटल टाइम इसको लगेगा, राइट सर? आई जस्ट डिसअपियर अगेन. इतना टाइम इसको लगेगा, 7 hours 28 minutes. अभी ड्यू टू लीकेज इट विल रिक्वायर 32 more minutes. तो 7 hour plus 28 minutes plus 32 minutes, right? So that is going to be कितना? 8 hours. 8 hours is required. So work done by 2 pipe plus 1 leak is how much? In 1 hour. 2 pipe and 1 leak in 1 hour. 1 by 8. Correct? So the work done by the leak in 1 hour will be how much? 15,112 minus कर दो इसमें से 1 by 8, that is 1 by 112. So answer would be 112 hours. That is how much time it will require to leak or empty the entire cistern. Moving on to the next question. what is the least number, which when divided by number 3, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12 leaves in each case a remainder 2, but when divided by 13 leaves no remainder? एलसीएम निकाल लो इसका सर सबसे पहले तो. एलसीएम ऑफ 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. LCM of 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12. It will be somewhere around 120, right? So required number is of the form, if you want to make a form, it will be 120k plus 2, right? Remainder is 2 that they have mentioned over here. Okay, least value of k for which 120k plus 2 is divisible by 13. Is divisible by 13 is how much? Least number I'm asking. That is 8. So from here the required number we will be getting as 120 into 8 plus 2, which is 962. Option A was correct. Next, the average weight of 5 men is decreased by 3 kg when one of them weighing 150 kg is replaced by another person. Find the weight of the new person. Oh हो भाई साहब 165, 135, ये तो वो वाला वेट लग रहा है जो वेस्ट इंडीज का जो प्लेयर है जिसने कल कोहली को आउट किया था. प्लीज आंसर एवरीबडी. सो average weight of 5 men, let's say average weight is x kg. मैं ही पढ़ रहा हूं क्या अकेले? कोई जवाब नहीं दे रहा है. सब खैरियत? अच्छा, वेरी गुड, सही है भाई, गुड, राइट. लेट्स से द वेट ऑफ द न्यू पर्सन, weight of new person is y kg, average weight x है, new person का y है, right? So we can say that x minus 3 is equals to 5x minus 150 plus y by 5. So when you solve this, 5x minus 15 equals to 5x plus 150 plus y. ये तो हटेगा यहाँ से. So y will get as 135 kg, which is option B. Okay, so Abhinav sir will be joining you in just no time. Please answer. The number of terms between 30 to 530 which are divisible by 11. Second last question from my side. 30 to 530. What is the first number from 30 to 530 that is going to be divisible by 11? First number is 33. And the last number is 528 that is divisible. So the number of terms will be how much? कर लो, easy है यार. 528 minus 33 by 11 अपने आप आ जाएगा. Number of terms which are divisible plus 1 also you have to do. So it is 46, which is option D. Last question from my side and then Abhinav sir will be joining you everybody. A briefcase was sold at a profit of 10% if its cost price was 5% less and it was sold for rupees 7 more. The gain would have been 20%. Find the cost price of the briefcase. Let cost price equals to X rupees. Price 5% less than the cost price. Price 5% less than cost price will be 95 by 100x. Selling price when sold for rupees 7 more. 7 more, ठीक है, 7 रुपए महंगा और अगर बेचता तो selling price would be 110 by 100 x plus 7, right? और condition given है that this minus 95 by 100 x is equals to 95 x by 100 into 20 by 100. This is given in the question. तो सर यहाँ से आपको x का वैल्यू निकालना है. I think you can do this. So it will be 20 by 500x equals to 7, and x will come out to be 175 rupees, which is option A, I think. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, that's it, I think. So now Abhinav sir will be joining you. Okay, I will ask him. Sir is always ready, I know, but still I will ask him if he is ready. And please welcome. Sir, मैं करता हूँ ना close. Okay, sir.
Hello everyone. Just quickly confirm me that I am audible and visible both na? Audible and visible both na? Okay. So I hope you are having a fantastic session till now. Okay, and now my turn to move this Gadi forward. Okay. Okay, excellent. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me put everything correct here. Okay. Yes. Just confirm on the comment box, guys. How is the Josh commandos? How is the Josh? Sagar Bhandari ji, kaise hain? Good afternoon. Commandos. How is the... It's audible. Okay. So guys, question number 1 to 30 was done by ma'am. Then question number 31 to 60 by Joshit sir. And now question number 66 to 95 I will be taking. Okay. So ISRO will be 95 questions this time. Why 95 questions? You may be having a confusion because marks are 100. Let me tell you, this is the first of its own kind that ISRO has done many changes for civil engineers this time. The biggest change, up to now, either the civil engineering vacancies are coming 0, 7, 6, 5, 9 like this. From last many years, it was never been such huge. This time it was, I guess, 37 or 39 number of vacancies. I'm not knowing exactly, it is 37 or 39. Second big change, that allied part has been added. What is allied part? I will tell you shortly. Third big change, that now it is not of 240 marks, it is now of 100 marks. And the fourth change that many of the people in the country not knowing, unfortunately many teachers also, that the number of marks are 100, but questions are 95 only. Okay, so one change, that's seats are increased 5 times, 7 times, 8 times, 37 to 39 now, allied part has been added, 100 marks for 95 questions. Okay, what is the cutoff of this particular mock test? Is 70 marks, guys. If you are scoring more than 70, then aapka preparation is going on the correct way. Guys, see, what is the pattern this time? That there will be 100 marks exam, total marks is 100. Total marks is equal to 100. And paper will be in 2 parts. Part A, 80 marks. Part B, 20 marks. Now, part A, if you see the detailed notification, 75% will be technical. So, 80 marks, 75% is 60 marks. So, 60 marks will be civil engineering. And every question will be 1 marks here. So, here it will be 60 questions. And part A ka 25%, that is 20 marks, is allied part. What is allied part? I am telling you. Here also 20 questions. Every question 1 marks, plus 1 minus 1 by 3. Plus 1 minus 1 by 3. Part B, which is of 20 marks, which is aptitude and reasoning, is only of 15 questions. So here every question 1 mark, 60 questions, 60 marks, 20 question, 20 marks. But in part B, 15 question, 20 marks. So one question, the mark is 1.33. Okay, here. Now, hello Rotela ji, ED, Sagar, everyone, welcome guys. Now one more thing, it is plus 1 and minus 1 by 3 here. In part A and part B, you have to individually qualify. Now, second big thing is, or another big thing is, that guys, ISRO has not mentioned any syllabus. Not mentioned any syllabus, neither for technical nor for reasoning, even not for technical also. So whatever the allied part we are taking, allied means related to civil engineering, like geology is allied, GPS remote is allied, remote sensing is allied, urban development is allied, earthquake is engineering. That is all our prediction, because ISRO leave allied here, they have not given even the technical syllabus of civil also. So from previous exams, we have found, okay, this in the syllabus, and what allied means, from that we are going to the questions. Now this particular session is exactly as ISRO pattern. Here also 95 questions, 60 questions, 20 questions, and here 50 questions. So we are also taking 95 questions, 60 plus 20 plus 15, and we are also taking 60 technicals, 20 by Richa ma'am, 20 by Joshi sir, and 20 by me. We are also taking 20 allied, 10 by Richa ma'am and 10 by me. We are also taking 15 questions of aptitude that are all taken by Joshi sir. So this is exactly a ISRO pattern that has never ever been done in YouTube till now for civil engineers. So this is the first of its kind, because previous year questions are also not of this pattern which is going to come now. Okay. So this is about me. If you are not knowing me, guys, I am Abhinav Negi, having 11 plus years of teaching experience. And guys, earlier my app series are at 10 p.m. Now I am coming at 4:30 p.m. for the GATE series. So GATE series will be of mine at 4:30 p.m. and today 10 p.m. ISRO soil will be coming. ISRO soil session on app free class. Today 10 p.m. But after that from 18th it will be 4:30 p.m. for the GATE students. Okay. This I will be coming tomorrow, Sunday. What is the difference between the RCC and steel structures? RCC and steel structures, because this is one of the favorite question in interviews. You will make RCC structure or steel structure on the basis of economy, on the basis of joints, on the basis of shear strength, and much more. Okay. What is the GATE formula? Where is the 5 here? That I have taken yesterday. 7-minute video. Please do watch this video. Okay. Bhanu, okay. Thank you. Okay. So let's begin. Okay, this is mock test right now, and next Saturday will be mock test on 22nd July. Let's begin. This is my telegram civil by Abhinav sir. Okay. So this we have done. Let's begin. Question number 66. And one more disclaimer before I go forward. Guys, for GATE, for one question there is 3 marks. Questions are deep. It takes time. There is a lot of calculation. So whenever I will be taking this mock test, or we will be taking this mock test, that is next Saturday, they will be conceptual. You have to devote your time. But ISRO is almost 1:1 ratio. So here the time or questions level is much easier than GATE. Much easier than GATE. So my questions will be of ISRO level only. You can check the PYQ, it is easier. So this is of ISRO level. That is why these questions will not be tough. Tough दिखाऊंगा next Saturday को. चलो. What is the Poisson ratio? What is the Poisson ratio? If in a case of engineering material under unidirectional stress, this is a material, and in this, suppose this is the x direction, this is the y direction, and the axis which is coming out of the screen to your forehead, out of the screen to your forehead is z axis, and here the stress is applied, that is sigma x. It's here some stress is applied. So what is the Poisson ratio? Lateral upon longitudinal. So epsilon y by epsilon x. Even this is also correct, and epsilon z by epsilon x, lateral by longitudinal, this is also correct. Now you will say, sir, minus is not written, sir. Minus is not written, sir. So guys, only magnitude is asked. Please do check this. Anmol, Angukar, Suresh, Dinesh, excellent, excellent. Let us go now to question number 67. The deformation of its bar, the deformation of the bar under its own weight as compared to when subjected to direct axial load equal to its own weight. So this is the bar of 3 kg. इसका वजन 2.5 किलो का था, 2.5 किलो का हाथ सनी देवल वाला. तो इसका elongation कितना होगा? And when this is a weightless bar, this is a weightless bar, and here external load is applied 2.5 kilo. 2.5 kilo is the weight, and here it is due to self weight. Here it is due to self weight. So here the elongation will be delta 1. Here the elongation will be delta 2. It is not, SOM is not rigid body physics now. It is deformable physics. So here this delta 1 by delta 2 is half. Okay, it is half. I am not going into the derivation. It will be C option. No, Bhanu. Okay. Now 68. The number of independent elastic constants for linear elastic orthotropic. Isotropic, everybody knows total elastic constants are 4, E, G, mu, K. Okay, independent are 2, because we know 2, we can find remaining 2. We know 2, we can find remaining 2. Okay, suppose E and G you know, you can find mu and K. Or any 2 from, we can find remaining 2, a matrix form se pura aata hai. But in orthotropic, it is number of elements are 9. For allotropic, it is 21. Okay. Now 69, a tripping bar like this. Here the diameter is D1, here the diameter is D2, it will be some elongation. Now both the bars have the same extension if D is equal to, इसका कुछ elongation होता है, कितना elongation होता है 4PL pi D1 D2 E. वो कह रहे हैं कि ऐसा एक यूनिफॉर्म बताओ D इक्वलेंट जिसका elongation भी सेम हो जाए, इसका elongation भी pi D1 D2 E के बराबर हो जाए. Here the cross section is same, so we can apply PL by A. PL A is pi by 4 D equivalent square into E. From here, if you E भी है, वो E लिखा नहीं जा रहा ना, E भी है वहाँ पे. So from here D equivalent is, if you compare both of them, D equivalent is under root D1, नहीं ये नहीं, under root D1 D2, that is B option. Okay, these kind of questions will be coming in ISRO, guys. When next Saturday at 11 AM I will be doing the PYQ of GATE, then of course they will be tougher. But here it is easier. Okay, my 3-year-old son is also doing solution. Okay, 70 question. In the case of I section, the web mainly resists. A nice question. यहाँ पे दिमाग लगेगा. Here the brain will be there, guys. In I section, what web resists? This is flange. This is flange. This is flange. This is web. Tell me. Okay, guys, see, the bending stresses are like this. As you go from neutral axis, more stress. So more bending stress in flange. In flange, there is more bending stress. But for the same I section, when you draw the shear stresses, then shear stresses will be like this. So maximum shear stress is resisted by web. So the web resists shear force 70 का B. D no. Mainly पूछा है ना भाई, रजिस्ट तो सब कुछ करता है, बेंडिंग भी आ ही रहा है भाई, थोड़ा बहुत बेंडिंग में थोड़ा बहुत आ ही रहा है, पर मेनली पूछा है 80 to 90% of shear is resisted by web. Got it? क्या नाम है खतरनाक सा, अंकुर भाई. जी एक्स्ट्रा गलती से टाइप हो गया था कि असली में अंकुर नाम है, अंकुर भाई. वो जी गलती से यूजर आईडी बनाते हुए हो गया था कि असली में जी है. Guys, please, everyone on the comment box, please write down your cities, from which city you belong. Everybody on the comment box, please do let me know, and keep sharing the video, guys. Keep sharing. Come on. Okay. Guwahati. I was Guwahati last month up to 24th. Engineering service mains ek din up to 24th. Guwahati, Kamakhya, Shillong, Nangpo, Kashmir. Okay, Kashmir I was in March 31st. My father's retirement. Sagar Bhandari, Madhya Pradesh. I teach offline for 10 years, and the maximum time I taught in Madhya Pradesh only. Might be you're my offline student. Tamil Nadu, I have never been there. Chhattisgarh, सबसे बढ़िया छत्तीसगढ़िया. Correct ना, Srijin Sharma? Andhra Pradesh, I've been Visakhapatnam. Kerala, never been there. 71st, soil mechanics. Okay. Tripura is also there, guys. Excellent. Tripura, capital Agartala. Okay. So, guys, a soil has 28 gram of soil solids. This is solid. This is water. And this is air. This is air. Okay. Now, if I write down the water, 28 gram of, now I write down the weight, 28 gram of soil solid. Okay, 9 gram of water. Of course, air will be 0. Okay. If I write the volume, so volume 1 cubic meter of voids. So this is 1 cubic meter. 1 meter cube. Okay. And specific gravity is 2.7. So what is the volume here? What is the volume here? Volume here is mass by density. Volume here is mass by density. So mass is 28 by density is 2.7 times of water. Specific gravity 2.7 means the density is 2.7 times of water. Here everything is gram per cc. Water density is 1 gram per cc. So here the density will be, Bhanu mat karo. Here the density will be 2.7 like this. Okay, so my 3-year-old kid is disturbing us. Now the water content. Water कौन नहीं, pros and cons नहीं पढ़ रहे. So water content is weight of water by weight of solid. So weight of water is 9 and weight of solid is 28. Okay, excellent, correct. Now void ratio is volume of voids by volume of solid. So 1 is the volume of voids and solid is 28 by 2.7. 28 by 2.7. So 2.7 will go above. 2.7 by 28. 2.7 is in, okay. So 10, why they are saying 10? This is 1 meter cube na? 1 cubic meter is this. Okay. 1 से ये है. So I guess they have done some mistake. I guess they have done not mistake. It should be 10 cubic meter na? Otherwise air and water are looking very small. Solids volume is more than 10. This is 1. Okay, leave it. We'll check it later. It should be 10 here because it is very, very less. Solid volume is, it is around 11, 12 and this is 1. सही नहीं लग रहा है. Degree of saturation is volume of water by volume of voids. So this will be, guys, this will be 10. This will be 10. Okay, so this is also correct. Degree of saturation is volume of water by volume of voids. So volume of water is 9 gram and water density is 1 gram per cc. So 9, volume of water by volume of voids is 10. So 9, this will not, 2.7 is not coming. The porosity is volume of voids by total volume. So 10 by total volume. Total volume is volume of voids plus volume of solid. 28.2.7. So from here if I multiply 2.7 then this will be this option. Okay, so 4th is correct. So 1, 2 and 4. What beautiful question, guys. Okay. सेंटीमीटर क्यूब है. क्यूबिक उसको 10 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब कर दो, इसको 10 कर दो यहाँ पे. This will be 10. This will be 10. Okay, now okay, Gopal Anjan. Now okay. Okay, let's move to question number 72. Everybody. In the test of both, these are diameters and permeability and diameter length is given for A and B. This is for A and this is for B, diameter and length. Now, if the test on both the parameters are connected with the equal heads of water on the sample, then the ratio of amount of water discharged through the parameter A to that of B. So, QB upon QA. So, Q is KIA. Q is KIA. Q is KIA. So, K के बारे में कुछ बोला है क्या? A particular soil sample is subjected to test of determining the permeability coefficient in the separate constant head permeability whose specific a particular soil, same soil है ना, so K will be same. Okay, I is H by L, head is also same. कहाँ गया? Head is also same. So I में H by L आएगा, तो L में difference आ जाएगा. So here आपके पास आएगा 2L क्योंकि वो डिनोमिनेटर में है और वहाँ पे आएगा L. A न्यूमरेटर में ही आएगा क्योंकि Q is equal to KIA है ना, तो ये सेम है, ये सेम है, इसको हटा दो तो Q is proportional to A by L. That is why I put it in denominator, but A न्यूमरेटर में ही आएगा. Pi by 4 D square. So इधर आएगा 4D square, इधर आएगा सॉरी D square क्योंकि D है और B के लिए आएगा 4D square. 4D square. तो यहाँ से 1/8 आएगा. 1/8 को करते हैं तो कितना आता है? 1/8, 10/8, 122.125. Got it? Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no, guys. Everybody, keep sharing, keep sharing, keep sharing. Keep sharing. Come on. Like the session for more such sessions, guys. Exactly as per ISRO pattern. 73. Chalo, this you can do, yaar. Easy. Easy cheesy. Easy cheesy. Easy cheesy. Okay, seepage force is applied by flowing water through the frictional drag. Correct? Correct? इसको ले जाओ. Correct? And the magnitude of seepage force per unit volume. Seepage force is seepage pressure. This is seepage pressure into area. This is seepage force. Okay, this is seepage pressure into area. This is seepage force. Now seepage force per unit volume. Seepage force, this is not shear force. Seepage force per unit volume is H by gamma W into A divided volume. Volume can be written as A into L. So A to A cancelled and H by L is I. So this is I gamma W. This is I gamma W and it is written as gamma W by I. Wrong. In a soil mass subjected to upward flow, quicksand condition means effective stress 0. And when pore water pressure and total stress, sigma bar is sigma minus U. When pore water pressure and total stress are equal, it will be 0. So 0 means effective stress or quicksand condition. 1 and 3. B option. B option. B option. C कह रहे हैं? B होगा यार. Anmol correct. Anmol from Guwahati. Dinesh, excellent, excellent, excellent. Keep sharing, keep sharing. Come on. 74th. Aha. Aha. This is the right choice, baby. Every question 1 mark. For technical also, allied also. Every question is 1 mark. For aptitude it is 1.33. The whole pattern I have already explained you at the beginning. The whole pattern I have already explained you at the beginning, guys. Okay, बता रहे हो कि मैं करूं? TV is equal to CV into T by D square. जिसको जैसे राइटिंग अच्छी होती नहीं है, अब T को ऐसे क्या लिखे? कम से कम इतना तो कर ही देता हूं मैं. राइटिंग अच्छी नहीं है, कम से कम इतना तो कर दूं. ओके, हमसे पूछा क्या है? U की वैल्यू. So TV, this is less than 60%. So less than 60%, I can write pi by 4 U square CV into T by D square. From here, U square CV into T into D square into 4 upon pi. U is equal to under root CVT by pi. Under root of 4 is 2, under root of this is D. So 2 by D, CVT by pi, that is option number B. That is option number B. Yes, excellent question. Okay. So this is the difficulty level of ISRO, yeah, not difficult. Yes. The change that takes place during the process of consolidation of saturated clay. In the process of consolidation, what happens? Consolidation means compaction is done. So it is saturated soil. It is saturated soil. And after some time, water is also evacuated. How much water will go down? That depends on the amount of load applied. An increase in pore water pressure and increase in effective stress. बहुत deep question है यार. Increase in pore water pressure and decrease in effective stress. Decrease in pore water pressure and decrease in effective stress. Decrease in pore water pressure. आहा. ये तो जो बता रहा है ना, जैक अचानक से इसी क्वेश्चन बताया. श्रीकांत, दिनेश, excellent यार. What happens? Initially if you apply the piezometer ना यार, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर में डिफरेंस नहीं आएगा, बट पोर वाटर प्रेशर इज हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्लस एक्सेस. अब जब यहां पीजोमीटर लगाओगे ना आप, तो हाइड्रोस्टैटिक तो रहेगा, पर जितना तुमने एक्सेस लोड लगाया, जितना भी एक्सेस लोड लगाया, उसके कारण भी प्रेशर आ जाएगा. वट एवर द लोड यू हैव अप्लाइड, सपोज P, तो U excess initially is equal to P by A. Whatever load you applied in a saturated soil mass, all load goes to the soil itself. Okay? Okay, guys. P by A. Initially, it is equal to P by A. U excess. Okay, but slowly, gradually. Nobody wants to be in more pressure. Gradually, after some time, after some time, see, after a long time, only the hydrostatic pressure will be there. But after some time, this will be in between, somewhere here. Okay, see, pressure first of all will be here, this much, hydrostatic plus excess. After some time, pressure will be this much. After a long time, it will be only hydrostatic, then it will be stable. Water remains to be in hydrostatic pressure. So, since the water is evacuating, so that extra pore water pressure is actually decreasing. Hydrostatic to wahi rahega. Hydrostatic pressure is gamma W into H. H is the distance from water table. So, that will not change, because we assume that whatever water is going down, water table is not fluctuating. Because if from Ambani, if you take 200 rupees, uski wealth kam nahi hogi. So, when very less amount of consolidated water comes, hardly there is fluctuation in water table. Okay. So, this is same, but extra pore water pressure is dissipating. So, this is decreasing. So, this is decreasing, so pore water pressure is decreasing. And sigma bar is equal to sigma minus U. When U is decreasing, so this will increase. Beautiful option D. Give me yes or no in the comment box. Guys, please put a heart sign. Please put a heart sign on the comment section. Everybody. Everybody. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Everybody. Okay, Anmol. 76. Which of the following is the correct distance? Now survey is coming between the lighthouse and the ship. When the lighthouse is 100 meter visible above the horizon. So this is 100 meter. So ship will be somewhere here. So what is that distance? Nahi aaya samajh. This is the earth. This is the lighthouse. Even the lighthouse will be like this. This is the lighthouse. कहाँ गया? कितना height का है? कहाँ गया? 100 meter. So from how far the ship can see this? From how far? Ship की height नहीं दे रखी है तो यहाँ नहीं जा सकते. Ship की height यहाँ. How far this can be? So D, distance of visible horizon, H upon 0.0673. If you put H in meters, D is in kilometers. It will be 38.54. For this, I have made a shot also. Have you seen that shot of India-Bangladesh border? India-Bangladesh border वाला shot देखा था मेरा? India-Bangladesh वाला shot देखा था मेरा? जहाँ पे मैं बहुत हाइट पे खड़ा था मेघालय में, और बहुत हाइट पे एक पेड़ पे एक्चुअली क्या था, बांस के डंडे थे. In a tree there is some structure made like mashan, and from that tree the Meghalaya people see Bangladesh. So up to how much distance I can see Bangladesh, that is given by this formula. D is equal to height of my eye above the surface upon 0.0673. That shot I have made and put in the this YouTube channel only. 77. Guys, what is the curvature correction? I am not curvature correction. Curvature correction is minus 0.0673 D square. D is in kilometers. This is in meter. This is always subtractive. I can prove this also. I can prove this also. Guys, see, A and B both are at MSL. A and B both are at MSL. A and B both are at MSL. Okay. So suppose I am taking MSL as a reference. So elevation of A and B is 0. But from here I will take a staff reading H here. So RLB, what I say? RLB will be the C. Suppose I am saying that A is this point. So this elevation is 0. So I say this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0. So this elevation is 0. Because this is a horizontal line, and horizontal line I say same elevation 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So B is H below. So we'll say RL of B is 0 minus H, correct? This elevation is 0, na? This is in earth. So all the horizontal lines we are saying 0, 0, 0, 0, and H below, so 0 minus H. So RLB is minus H. So RLB should be 0, but the true value should be 0. RL, this is the measured value. True value should be 0. And correction is true value minus measured value. Correction is true value minus measured value. True value is 0. B is also at MSL, 0. Minus measured value. Measured value is minus H. So it is plus H. Plus H. So it should be positive, sir. No, because correction is never, I have done this intentionally, because correction is never done on RL. Always do remember this. Correction is never done on RL. Correction is always done on staff reading. This reading is H na, this reading should be coming 0. So, true value should be 0. Measured value is equal to H. Correction is true value minus measured value. So, 0 minus H, it is minus H. Correction is done on staff reading. This should not be coming H, this should be coming 0. Give me yes or no. कह रहे बच्चे कह रहे हैं छोड़ो सर, leave this, we know the formula, don't tell us the concept. Don't tell us the concept. We know the formula, minus 0.0673 d square. For refraction it is 1 plus of refraction is 1/7 of this with positive magnitude. Don't tell us this. So leave this, guys. Have you understood the concept? Because if you are seeing correction on RL, that is coming plus. Correction of staff reading is done in coming in minus. So all these corrections, staff reading and everything is done on correction of curvature, correction of refraction, all these are done in staff reading. Have you understood the concept? Give me yes or no. Error का तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. Correction is minus error then. Error तो मैंने कुछ बताया ही नहीं. Give me yes or no. Anand, Sagar, Anmol, Geet, GCT, Dev, Ankur, Suresh. Have you understood the concept or should I explain again? Have you understood the concept or should I explain again? Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Okay. 78. Falling forebearing and back bearing are done. Falling forebearing and back bearing are reading are taken. Falling forebearing and back bearing reading are taken. Which station is affected by local attraction? Here the difference is 180. Here the difference is not equal to 180. Not 180. If this is 180, no, this is also not 180. So A and B are assumed to be free from local attraction, although this may be the case. So difference is 180, since even then also there is local attraction, because might be there is some local attraction, so difference should not be coming 180, but you have done also some error, and your error is opposite to the error of local attraction of same magnitude. So minus into minus is plus ना, minus into एक चलो लोकल अट्रैक्शन था, कुछ गलती हुई होगी, 180 डिफरेंस नहीं आना था, 180 डिफरेंस शुड नॉट बी कमिंग, बट यू ऑब्जर्वेशनल एरर यू हैव डन. ऑब्जर्वेशनल, अच्छा ये माउस है, मैं सोच रहा छेद हो गया क्या, वहां पे ना माउस दिखाई दे रहा है, इससे माउस दिखाई दे रहा है, तो मैं सोचा ये वाइट वाइट यहाँ क्या दिखाई दे रहा है. नहीं भाई असली में ही वाइट है. अरे माउस नहीं है भाई यार, कागज असली में ही वो वाइट. मेरे को लगा कि बनियान दिख रही है क्या अंदर से. ओके. So A and B are assumed to be free from local attraction, although there might be a case that at both the station there is local attraction of same magnitude, or at one station there is local attraction but you have done observational error also, such that it becomes 180 correct again. So A and B are correct, C and D are wrong. C option. Enjoying the class or not? 79. Coordinates of two endpoints A and B or a traverse lines are given below. The bearing of the line is x को मैं ईस्ट एक्सिस भी ले रहा हूं और y को मैं नॉर्थ ले रहा हूं. A पॉइंट क्या है 1000 और 1000. A पॉइंट है, सर्वे में पहले y कोऑर्डिनेट लिखते हैं. क्यों लिखते हैं किसी को नहीं पता हो तो मेल वेल करके पूछ लिया करो, मेल में हर बच्चे का रिप्लाई करता हूं मैं. B पॉइंट इज हियर. B पॉइंट का y ज्यादा है, नहीं B पॉइंट का y सेम है 1000 बट x 2000 है. सो दे आर एट सेम लेवल. They are at same level. They are at same level because y coordinate is same. 10,000 है, sorry. अबे ये क्या है, ये 10 नहीं है, ये ऐसा है, ठीक है. So A and B are having same y level like this. For this line, okay, for this line what is the bearing? For this line what is the bearing? Bearing is measured from north. So this is 90 degree clockwise angle. Have you understood everybody? Have you understood everybody? Four bearing is this. For back bearing shortcut, replace S by N, E by W, angle same. Angle same. Angle same. Otherwise, convert this in whole circle bearing. Convert this in whole circle bearing. From that, subtract or add 180. The back bearing will be coming in whole circle bearing. Then convert that in quadrantal bearing. Otherwise, I am telling you the shortcut. If 4 bearing is N30 east, then back bearing will be S30 west. If 4 bearing is S36 west, then if back bearing is this, 4 bearing will be N36 east. Simply change S by N or N by S, E by W or W by E, angle same. Otherwise, you can do the long cut also. If the declination is 5 degree 40 minutes, this is the true meridian joining the geographical poles. This is the magnetic meridian, and the declination is 5 degree 40 minutes. 5 degree 40 minutes. Which of the following magnetic bearing would represent the true bearing of S 25 degree 20 minute east? So first of all, what is S? This is S, दिख रहा है ना ऊपर, हाँ, S, E and W. S 25 degree 20 minute east means this whole circle bearing is 154 degree 40 minutes. That is 154 degree 40 minutes whole circle bearing. So 164 7, हाँ ठीक है. So अब कहाँ गया? Any line has, क्या था ये? True bearing है 154 degree 40 minutes. From white, the true bearing is 154 degree 40 minutes. From blue, the angle will be plus 540. So 160 degree 20 minutes. And 160 degree 20 minutes is, if this is magnetic north, south, east, west, this is 160 degree 20 minutes. This is 19 degree 40 minutes. S 19 degree 40 आएगा, 40 आएगा, 40 आएगा, चेक कर लो, 40 आएगा. 540 को आपने हाँ सही है, 90 डिग्री 40 मिनट्स आएगा. गिव मी यस और नो. बी, बी कहाँ से आ रहा है? बी कहाँ से आ रहा है? ओके, now one shortcut I am doing. No need to convert whole circle bearing. No need to convert whole circle bearing. This is north, this is south, this is east, this is west. This is true north. No need to convert whole circle bearing. एक ही बार में आएगा. वेस्ट नेगेटिव नहीं ना, वही तो देव वेस्ट नेगेटिव ईस्ट पॉजिटिव कुछ नहीं होता है. वेस्ट नेगेटिव ईस्ट पॉजिटिव कुछ नहीं होता है. तुम मेरा एक काम करो, कंपास सर्विंग लिखना यूट्यूब पे, कंपास सर्विंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स, वो पढ़ना. कुछ फॉर्मूला याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ईस्ट पॉजिटिव वेस्ट नेगेटिव करोगे तो गलत होगा ही होगा. वो लैटिट्यूड डिपार्चर के लिए सही है, यहाँ पे मत करो उसको, क्योंकि जब वो क्वाड्रेंटल बेयरिंग में रहेगा तो उल्टा भी हो सकता है. होल सर्कल बेयरिंग में सही कह रहे हो तुम, ठीक है. अभी वो सब कुछ मत करो. पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव कुछ नहीं होता है. हमें उसका फीलिंग अगर समझ आ जाएगा ना, हमें उसका फीलिंग समझ आ जाएगा ना, तो हम कर लेंगे. फीलिंग से ही समझाया मैंने कंपास सर्विंग पूरा. पेड कोर्स में भी 10-12 साल से वैसे ही समझा रहा हूं, कुछ याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. नाउ सी, होल सर्कल बेयरिंग में यू आर सेइंग करेक्ट. नाउ सी, यहां पे मैं करता हूं एक ही बार में, विदाउट कन्वर्टिंग होल सर्कल बेयरिंग, जस्ट इन सिंगल शॉट. एवरी बुक, दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन दे आर गिविंग. आई एम डूइंग इन वन गो. ओके, magnetic bearing would represent, true bearing is 25 degree 20 minute east. So from true, white one is true, white one is true. This is 25 degree 20 minute. Declination is 5 degree 40 minute. This is magnetic north. This will be magnetic south. This will be magnetic east. This will be magnetic west. This angle is 5 degree 40 minute. So this is also 5 degree 40 minute, vertically opposite angle. This declination is 5 degree 40 now. So this is also 5 degree 40. Okay. If this is 5 degree 40, so this is also 5 degree 40. Now we got it. So what is magnetic bearing? Magnetic bearing is from south it is towards east, this angle. So 25 20 minus 5 degree 40 minutes. It will be 1940. Give me yes or no in the comment box. Everybody, Dave, have you understood what I told? So two methods I explained. 1 and 2 is the shortcut. Give me yes or no in the comment box, guys. Come on! Everybody. Everybody. Nobody loves me, yaar. Nobody is commenting. Give me yes or no. ए होगा ना डायरेक्शन के लिए सर? ए होगा क्यों? ओ सॉरी दिस इज ईस्ट ना? डायरेक्ट सॉरी सर कैसे तुम नो कर रहे हो यार? वेस्ट क्यों होगा? ईस्ट की तरफ गया है ना वो, ईस्ट की तरफ गया ना, यहां से ईस्ट की तरफ गया है ना. सॉरी गुड ऋषभ. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड एवरीबॉडी? Have you understood everybody? Okay. Now a plan of a map was photocopied to reduce size such that a line 100 meter now measures 90 mm. This is original, this is photocopied. Earlier something 100, now it is 90. The original scale was 1 by 1000. So 1 is 1000. So if AB in map is 100, so in ground I am representing capital letters. So it is 1000 more because scale is 1 by 1000. So 1000 more, 1000 into 100. This is the length. Now here length is 90. So scale here is shrunk length upon the original. Original length will be same, 100, yeah, 1000 into 10. Whatever the value is coming, I am not bothering in the value. I am not bothering on the value. Whatever the value comes, 90. Because what is scale? Map length 90. Map length upon original length. Original length will be same now. If you take India big map, if you take India small map, if you take very India big map, what is my English? If you take India's very big map, India length, original length will be same. Okay, 83. Which of the following is least affected by temperature? Which tape is most accurate? Least affected by temperature, that is inward tape. Its coefficient of thermal expansion alpha is very less. Okay, its coefficient of thermal expansion alpha is very less. So on summers it doesn't increase much, on winters it doesn't decrease much. Which of the following sites is applicable to change point? We are on the first reading. There is benchmark. Sorry, that is back side, then intermediate side, and last reading is foresight. After this, staff reading becomes invisible, very far. So we have to shift the instrument. Then again the first reading is back side, and then the process continues. So this is change point. After which we shift the instrument because they are very far, cannot be taken from here. So at change point, backside and foresight both are there. 85. The shrinkage factor of an old map is found to be 15 by 16. Okay. And the representative fraction of the map is 1 by 1600. The corrected scale of the map is, guys, this is 16. Now it is shrunk to 15. If the scale here is 1 by 1600, so what is the scale here? Suppose this is AB. So capital AB length is, because scale is 1 by 1600, Capital AB length is 16 into 1600. What is the scale? Map distance is 15. Ground distance will be same, 16 into 1600. What is the value coming? Please tell. कहाँ गया मेरा calculator? What is the value coming? What is the 16 into 1600 divided by 15 is equal to 1706. That is C option. Now the allied part. Guys, I am again repeating you. I have already told you the explanation of the syllabus and weightage. There is no mentioned syllabus of ISRO. No official syllabus. Allied means topics related to civil. Maybe metallurgy, maybe remote sensing, maybe earthquake, maybe urban planning, maybe aerospace, maybe any other thing. So from there we are taking the question. Might be they are thinking the same way, might be some difference, maybe there. So process of rock formation, geology topic. Geology is also allied. Okay, allied का मैंने पूरा बता चुका है कि कैसे है. शुरुआत से मेरा वीडियो देख लेना. Please see my video of allied. That is weathering. And allied, I have taken 2 times in app and 1 times in YouTube. And every time I have taken different questions so that students can have more and more practice. Guys, I am taking 4th session now on allied. 2 already I have taken on app, even yesterday also night. 1 I have taken on YouTube already. And all the 2 plus 1 already, and this is the 4th one. All questions were different. Why different? So that students can have variety of questions. That is why in my session, every time student is coming again. Even I am teaching the same topic, allied, SFD, BMD, bending stress, phase diagram. Student is again coming because he knows that Abhinav sir is taking a different question every time. Okay, so this is weathering. Which geological era? Guys, see, I have taken the questions of geology, aerospace, remote sensing, earthquake, metallurgy, GPS, GIS, all these questions, engineering, drawing, all these are allied part. Allied means topics related to civil. Now, what ISRO is thinking allied, nobody knows. Even Rajnikant also does not know. Because they have not mentioned the syllabus, official syllabus. So, which is age of reptiles? That is Mesozoic era. Which tectonic plate boundary is typically associated with the किस tectonic boundary को most destructive that cause most of the earthquake? Convergent boundary, causing the most of the earthquakes. Which term refers to a record of earthquake seismic waves produced by a seismograph? That is seismogram. Which symbol is used to represent a hole in engineering drawing? That is circle. Which type of line is used to indicate the boundary or outline of object of engineering drawing? Tell me. That is the object line. What is the primary purpose of GPS? GPS gives map also ना. River भी दिखती है. जब हम रोड से चलते रहते हैं साथ में river है तो river भी दिखती है, pond भी दिखता है. But primary purpose is for navigation. Although we get the maps also, but primary is navigation. Which of the following is common application of GIS, Geographical Information System? The application, the common application is we analyze, map and tool the geographical data for urban planning and land management. Okay, whatever the data we got from GPS, we map it, we tool it, we analyze it and take the geographical reference to make urban planning and land management. How does GPS determines the location of a receiver? By the triangulation signal. So many signals are coming simultaneously. Okay, from not only one satellite, multiple satellites. And sum of transmittance, absorbance and reflectance is, guys, see, what is remote sensing? Getting the property of an object without touching it. Like in COVID's, thermal scanners. Without touching, they click, the security guard of the mall clicks, office clicks, and temperature comes. Without touching. So without touching, getting the property is, that is remote sensing. So there is an incident ray goes. Incident ray, EI, lambda. Incident ray goes, Now incident ray may be absorbed here, may be absorbed, maybe reflect back, maybe transmit. Now this is the most important, because whatever the reflecting is coming back to us, from that we analyze some properties by doing something. So EI lambda, incident energy, is either absorbed or transmitted or reflected. Either of these things are happening. This is of most important, because this is absorbed, this is transmit, this is only thing we are getting back, from which we can find some property. So ER lambda is EI lambda minus EA lambda plus ET lambda. Divide throughout by EI lambda. EI lambda. Lambda is nothing. This is just a notation of representing energy. EI lambda. EI lambda. So ER lambda by EI lambda is how much is the reflected energy from the incident. How much is the reflected energy of the incident? That is reflectance. That is reflectance. The energy of reflected with respect to the total. Similarly, this is 1. This is how much is the absorbed energy with respect to the incident. That is absorbance. And this is how much is the transmitted energy with respect to the incident. That is transmittance. So reflectance plus absorbance plus transmittance is equal to 1. Have you understood? Have you understood, guys? You can join my Telegram group, Civil by Byjus sir. A poll also I have given. More than 1200 students have given that poll. You can also join the Telegram group. This is the workshop by Rakesh sir for Aptitude, how you can score 15. This will be on 18th of July at 7:30 p.m. Scholarship test will be tomorrow, 16 July at 9 p.m. By giving this scholarship, you can get 90% discounts on the Byjus exam prep courses. Leave discounts. Even you don't want to take the course, even you don't want to take discount, बहुत पैसा है हमारे पास. Still you can give this, because this is free of cost and you can check your performance on the all India basis. Now guys, today at 10 p.m. I am coming. Today at 10 p.m. I am coming on app for soil questions. And from 18th, the time will be again 4:30 p.m. Okay. अलाइड क्वेश्चन कहाँ से करते हो? इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग के जो हमारे फैकल्टी हैं सूरज सर, उनसे कह लेता हूँ. मेटलर्जी के कुछ मेरे टीचर्स हैं, आईटी जेई में दोस्त, उनसे कह लेता हूँ. एरोस्पेस के कुछ टीचर्स हैं, उनसे कह देता हूँ. इस तरीके से काम चल जाता है. ओके, कुछ नेट से सर्च कर लेता हूँ. तो 4:30 p.m. पर अब मेरी ऐप क्लास होगी. एंड दिस आई हैव टेकन यस्टरडे ऑन यूट्यूब, 7-minute class. If you want to see this, you can see this, guys. And now the mock test will be on, this is not PYQ, this is mock test. Next mock test will be on 22nd of July. You can join me in my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. Given a poll, this is a aerial video of a collapsed flyover in my hometown. Aerial video is there. You can see this video. On the base of that video, I have asked some questions. Most common reason of that failure: improper foundation, bearing capacity is overestimated, differential settlement column, design life is over, shear strength is reduced due to negation. This is 960, but till now more than 1200 students have given this. You given that poll, you can give them. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the session, and one more session is coming now tomorrow. Tomorrow my one more session is coming. Where is that? This one. This will be tomorrow, Sunday, 10 p.m. Sunday 10 p.m. I hope you enjoyed this. Okay, any doubts you want to ask? Anything you want to ask, guys? Pattern I have explained already. Pattern I have explained already. Tell me. Okay, thank you all, guys. Take care. Thank you everybody. Yes, let me give you my Telegram link also. This is my Telegram link. You can join that. Okay, thank you guys. Take care.